Okay, this is our ride over to Mackinac Island. How you guys doing? You guys ever been over there yet? It's pretty cool. You guys are gonna love it. Bye-bye, mainland. We'll see you later. We're going to the island. Okay, we'll bring it back on when we get closer to Mackinac Island. Bye.